And is it okay if I make videos?
Yeah.
I'm gonna show my partner when I get home. Okay. So this is the living room. So
Dishwasher, built-in washer, built-in freezer. Yeah, double oven.
is this like a pantry?
Yeah, no, well, it's just under stair storage.
Okay, on this side storage. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is the
That
kitchen.
table's probably going to go to skip.
Say again?
Table's going to go to skip, I think I've got to ask them, because one of them chairs that broke, well, two of them broke.
Oh, okay.
So I don't know what's exactly that.
This is the garden at the back. So there's a door that leads to the back. The kitchen. Is this a washer dryer?
No.
Just washer. Okay. I like that this is not a hob. This is a proper cooker. So there are lots of storage. You can put all your spices there, your plates here, pots here. But it needs a lot of cleaning.
Yeah, a couple of those cupboards want soft clothing in, just putting on them.
Fridge, freezer. Another storage is here. And this is the hub. Okay. Alright. Okay. Let's go upstairs.
Mind your head on the
Second?
loft, the loft hatch. I've left it open just to show that there's a loft ladder that's poured down. So just mind your head on loft latches.
Oh, okay. Okay. So there are two bathrooms, yeah? Two, I think there is it 3 toilets?
Downstairs toilet.
Okay, and then there's 2 upstairs.
There's an ensuite in the bathroom.
Oh, that's nice. I think you can hang your coats here. The stairs is really wide. I like that because of the kids.
When they do like water, they just
This
bubble
is
down.
one room. The room is not so big, but it's not bad. This is one room. Maybe my sister's room. Then this is another room. This room is bigger. This will be for Adrian and Elioa. And then that's good said. This is the bathroom here. Very nice and big. And this is the master's. My wardrobe can be here. My wardrobe can be here. You gave me Kihana. Wardrobe can be here. Okay, there's a loft there. Yeah. Oh. It's if our bed will enter. Our bed will enter this room. Well, can the king size bed go? I think.
I had a double in here, and I had enough room. I think a king size will go in.
Ours is actually
With
a double.
So my double bed came to.
Okay, you lived in the property.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I'm tenant. It's moving out.
Why are you moving out though?
Moving with my girlfriend.
Oh,
There's
okay.
no wrong with the house. Absolutely nothing.
Was there mold issues?
No.
And how's the area?
Alright.
I'm leaving because my old area there was racism. Number one. Number two, it's very rough.
Where were you?
Amley in Leeds.
Ah, right.
Well, I moved from Middlesbrough. We didn't know anything about the place. And the school, my son is experiencing bully. So I just want somewhere that's family. And plus what?
Normanton's okay.
It is.
It's a good area. Yeah, it's not a bad area. It's... honestly, I can't fault bad points. This road. Benson Lane. Bad points. I don't know if you experienced any issues getting onto the street off Main Road. There's a gym at Toppet Road, and there's a shop.
Okay.
It can get a bit congested up there. With
In the morning.
Yeah, because that gym is not just a gym.